Hi everyone, in this video, we're going to build a simple CAPTCHA generator using Python. It will randomly create some text made of letters and numbers, turn it into an image, and save it to your computer. Before we start, let's install the required libraries. Just open your terminal and type. Alright, let's go through the code step by step. First, we import. This is the main class that creates the CAPTCHA image. Then, we use Pillow to open or display the image later. Next, these are built-in modules for generating random letters and numbers. Now we define a function to create random text. It builds a random string with 6 characters by default. This joins random letters and digits into one string. Next, we define another function. It creates the image and saves it. This part draws the text on the image and saves it inside the assets folder. Then, we return the text so we can print it later. Now, in the main part of our code, this means the following lines will run only when we execute this file directly. This creates the CAPTCHA and prints the text in the console. Finally, This line opens the image we just created so we can see it. And that's it. You've just built a simple Python program that generates and saves random CAPTCHA images.